In Chinese, we say 生菜. 生菜. In English, we say lettuce. Lettuce. In Chinese, we say 秋葵. 秋葵. In English, we say okra. Okra. In Chinese, we say 苦瓜. 苦瓜. In English, we say bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. In Chinese, we say 灯笼椒. 灯笼椒. In English, we say bell pepper. Bell pepper. In Chinese, we say 菜花. 菜花. In English, we say cauliflower. Cauliflower. In Chinese, we say 西兰花. 西兰花. In English, we say broccoli. Broccoli. In Chinese, we say 香菜. 香菜. In English, we say cilantro. Cilantro. In Chinese, we say 葱. 葱. In English, we say green onion. Green onion. In Chinese, we say 薄荷. 薄荷. In English, we say mint. Mint. In Chinese, we say 芹菜. 芹菜. In English, we say celery. Celery. In Chinese, we say 芦笋. 芦笋. In English, we say asparagus. Asparagus. In Chinese, we say 苹果葫芦. 苹果葫芦. In English, we say apple gourd. Apple gourd.